Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and we are on Grady-White's 21-foot center console. This is the 216 Fisherman. This one's powered by the 250 4-stroke Yamaha. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on this boat and show you some of the nice features about this. First thing that you're going to get is where we're at back here on the back is we've got a nice large swim platform. We've got a ladder on this. It's a 4-step ladder. It goes real deep down in the water, so it's easy to get in and off the boat. It sounds like it's not something important, but when you've only got 3 steps down in the water and they're narrow 3 steps, it's really hard to get back in the boat. So just a little thing like that is very important. Moving forward, nice wide walk through here that you can close off the back seat. Then that becomes your backrest. You're sitting, of course, there's a cushion that goes right here that you have a nice high support up the back. Very comfortable to sit there. Grab handles on your side here. Pop-up cleat on this side. Stainless steel drink holders on both sides. This is your leaning post live well right here under this side. Really big live well for a 21-foot boat. Blue color on the inside, rounded corners, keeps your bait calm, keeps your bait alive. Look at the hardtop on here. It's a gorgeous hardtop. The underside of the hardtop is the same color as the outside of the boat, so it's color matched on there. You've got shotgun rod holders on there, 4 of them up there, 4 shotgun rod holders on the back of the leaning post. So you've got 8 rod holders right there. You've got rod holders in the gunnels. You've got rod holders underneath the gunnels. No shortage of rod storage on this 21-foot boat. Something that's important about Grady-White that not a lot of people know, they look at this thing, oh, this is powder coated. No, this isn't powder coated. This paint on here is a vinyl paint, much better than powder coating. The reason why it is powder coating is real hard. When you hit it with a reel or you hit it with something metal and it chips it, then all of a sudden that chip will spread out when it gets salt water under there and it all peels off there. This vinyl paint that's on here, it's super expensive paint, but it's more flexible, so you can take it back from the reel and take something else metal going against it. Sitting here at the helm, super comfortable seat. The ergonomics with this is great. Footrest, get your feet right up on top of there. Tilt steering wheel. I've got a large area to place plenty of electronics on there. We've got this single Yamaha digital gauge up top there instead of having a bunch of gauges, having a line across the top there. Your compass centered right on you, looking directly forward. Trim tabs on here. These trim tabs have auto retractors on them, so if you're putting it on a boat lift or on a trailer, as soon as you turn the keys off, it automatically lifts those trim tabs up for you. Nice dome light up here on the T-top as well. And an electronics box up top. You can put your VHF radio up there. You can also throw your hat, your wallet, your car keys. Great storage area up top. As we move forward, you can see you've got some more cleats that are pop-up cleats on the. So you've got 2 aft, you've got 2 midship, and you've got 2 forward. Something I just want to point out with Grady-White, this is something neat that not a lot of people recognize. If you look at these cup holders down in the bottom, there's a drain. Same with the cleats that are on here too. The cleats would run, if there was not a drain inside there, that water would run right down inside the hull. Well, what Grady-White does is they put a drain in the bottom of all those cup holders, in the bottom of those cleats, and that water, instead of running down into your bilge and getting your bilge all wet and stinky, getting to wiring, everything else, it drains right back out on the cockpit right here, and that drain goes back to the back of the boat and drains overboard. It's just some neat attention to detail that Grady-White does. The backrests on here, I don't have to take this out and store it somewhere. If I'm not using it, I just flip it back like that and it's out of the way. So it's forward if you need it, it's flipped out of the way. The big advantage again with that is that I don't have to store it down inside the console or find somewhere to put it. Designated anchor locker. These are insulated fish boxes up front here. These aren't plastic inserts. That's hard fiberglass. Tough stuff right there. The problem with some of the manufacturers out there that they put a plastic tubber insert, after a while they start to warp, they start to leak, they don't fit good. That's inexpensive. That's not the good way to do it. Grady does it the right way. This boat is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Come take a look at it today.